Here is my parent-friendly explanation of strategies for helping children cope with separation anxiety. So the first thing that I would say to the parent is first help your child know what anxiety is and how to identify they are feeling the anxiety. Then I would tell them to help their child recognize anxiety causes them to think things that aren't true. So I have, as an example, I'm not going to be kidnapped. I guess like thinking that when they're alone, they might have these bad negative thoughts that something bad is going to happen to them, like being kidnapped. So I would just explain that they need to help them recognize that their anxiety that they are feeling and experiencing is causing them to have these negative thoughts that aren't necessarily true. Then I would tell the parents to help their child have the positive self talk, that coping strategy that they can tell themselves, this is my anxiety, and I've been alone before, I've experienced these feelings before, and I can do this, I will be okay. So basically, just helping the child take those negative thoughts and start trading them out by experiencing and saying positive thoughts to themselves. And that would be how I would talk to the parent about helping their child cope with separation anxiety.